Hi, and welcome to the first video on this channel. Today I want to show you how I tested and built this robot arm down here. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so this is the 3D model I designed. Hopefully it's gonna fit.
Pelo cabelo. Se for, qual o problema? Já viu rico namorar pobre?
So, second try, 4.5 hours of printing. It's a box, kind of. Hopefully my electronic circuit fits in there. Pretty confident about that. Okay, so I bought these poties a while ago. These are pretty premium. These are not. Since I have the poties now, printed the case, and now I'm finished soldering the circuit board. Let's put that stuff together and hope that it will work. Okay, upload, please work. Programmer is not responding. Maybe reset? Maybe it's because of the USB adapter I have. Looks good. Arduino's blinking, wiring looks good. We're definitely getting there. The problem is I have that sensor shield here, which was very practical because it has those 3-pin thingies here. Yeah, so the sensor shield broke. I don't know why. I guess it was my fault. We have to de-wire this and wire this to the Arduino, which will cause more cable chaos. By the way, this case is meant to look like this. It's not because I designed the model much too small for all the cables to fit in, because why would I do that? It's for air ventilation purpose. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I just started the same program as the last time, and now potentiometer 4 seems to be defect. What? There is no voltage. It's so annoying. The wire is broken. See? Just upload the program and hope for the best. It does upload, which is a great sign. Am I initializing serial communication? No, I'm not. Of course it's declared. Second try. Now with serial communication activated. Yes, it's transferring something. You see the serial communication? If I now turn one of them in this direction, only the first one should change position, which it does, meaning that it works. Yeah, been expecting that. Now it's time to make the final test with power. I'm curious, but I'm also afraid, just a little bit. This is the high quality battery we have, it's 9 volts. Wait. Are the servos made for 9 volts? So now I have to take 4 1.5 volt batteries. Good. So these don't look like we can just plug them in. The servos will definitely freak out. Reset, plug that in. What is it doing? Ah, no, it's moving slowly. Nope, don't destroy the cables. It doesn't sound good. So the servos could be too weak or the batteries could be too weak. So it's drawing about 1.18 amps. So I think we should just power it with this power supply we have here. Unfortunately, we needed to move onto the ground. This floor is so uncomfortable. Woohoo! Damn it. So apparently I misconnected 2 wires. It's working. Wait, why is it not working? It's quite strong actually. It's really under a lot of stress, you see that? I mean, it's working, so I can't complain at all, but it's probably gonna break here. Let's grab the battery. So I'm controlling it via these potentiometers. Let's open up the claw. So let's grab that. Nice. Play with this one a bit. Yes. Come on. Nice. Okay. Let's put that in here. Excuse me. And release. Nice. Good boy. Okay, so this time around you should probably drink enough water. Gonna pour it in. Oh, you see there happens to be some water in there. Now I would have to pick that up and get it to my mouth, and let's get a more convenient way to do that. Powered. Oh shit. Everything's still working. Nice. As we know, the robot arm is pretty unpredictable in the beginning, so you probably shouldn't put water in front of it. But that's fine. So predictable. Oh shit. Is it accurate enough to draw, a dot or a single line or something? To draw anything on a piece of paper. That's really my goal, actually. Right here. So let's get it down. Huh. That should be a dot. Okay, now let's make a line out of it. Oh, come on. Have a touch. Draw a line. Nice. We made a thick dot and a kind of circular line. Man, it's getting more and more accurate with time. Okay guys, so now that it's kind of working, I need to use it for something. So if you happen to have any suggestions, just write them into the comments, please. Also, for those of you interested in the system of the robot arm, I'm gonna upload a second video in which I will explain that. With this being said, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.